Good morning, afternoon, or evening whenever you've decided to log in and watch this YouTube video. The purpose of this video is to give us a brief introduction on how to change or shut off the notifications from your Google Classroom. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up into your Google Classroom, you're going to go to 3 horizontal lines in the top left-hand corner, scroll all the way down on that toolbar on the left, go to Settings, and then click Email Notifications on or off, and that will shut off all of the notifications across the board. Or there's some fine-tuning controls that you can access in here, from comments to classes that you're enrolled in. So if you're involved in any of the district classrooms or the classes that you teach. And then there's even a caret for class notifications. And so there you go. I hope you find this video informational and helpful. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you so much for logging in, and we look forward to seeing you back for another exciting tutorial video.